Make a sterile finger prick approximately 3 to 4 mm deep. And immediately start the stopwatch. Then take a filter paper near the fingertip and touch the filter paper to the blood drop site. At every 30-second interval, you need to touch the filter paper at the pricking site and check for the blood drop, whether the blood drop is there on the filter paper or not after applying filter paper at the pricking site. This is how blood drops will look like on the filter paper. See, this is the zero time. The first one is a zero time. Then at every 30-second interval, we placed filter paper at the pricking site. So first time is a zero time. Then second blood drop is at 30-second. Then at every 30-second, we placed a filter paper at a pricking site. So first is 0, then 30, then 60, then 90. The time at which no blood drop appears at the filter paper while applying the filter paper at the pricking site, that is the bleeding time. Means till 90-second there is appearance of the blood drop. We can take a blood. Once you apply the filter paper at the pricking site, there is a blood. Later on, after that 90-second, after that 30-second, there is no blood. It means at 120-second there is no blood drop. So 120-second is the bleeding time.
Prep Clinic. Dream Beyond.